Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check this out. 2026 Grand Design Solitude 417 KB. And it's a whole new level of RV out of Grand Design. So the very wide pass-through storage, let me open this up, in my personal opinion, is Brinkley getting into the game has elevated the game to the point where Grand Design is really coming to life. So we have two speakers here, tandem axle. I'm gonna get right inside. It's such a unique look from the moment you walk in. So right when you walk in, check this out. No steps, just family room and kitchen area all on one level. Now the bedroom behind me is up a couple steps, and I'll get to that in a minute. You have to have that for the pass-through storage. Very nice bathroom right in off the front door. I'm trying not to show myself in there, but really a nice touch. Here's where you have your power as well as extra storage. Another cabinet up there. And let me show you this family room and kitchen area. A lot to talk about. So we have a pull-out couch here, theater seating, pull-out couch. Check this out. I really like that look. So you have, let me get a close-up. You've got brown wood accent in a vertical motif. Now I sound like I'm a real designer. Very nice flat screen TV. Fireplace. We have cabinets above here, very deep. You can see right there. And we have the dining area. I'll get to all the goodness in here. So we have drawers, but then you can open this and you get access to it as well. Kind of unique. I don't know, doesn't do a lot for me, but I do want to show it to you. And as this says, hardwood drawer boxes, very nice. 4-burner cooktop, how you darn, and a nice size oven, very hefty door and hardware. Microwave oven. Let's see what Spice Things Up is all about. Check that out. Very cool. And then cabinet space above, soft close cabinets. We have a corner sink with all the goodness, as you can see, and every little nook and cranny is accounted for. And you can see through there. I'm going to show the refrigerator and under fridge storage here in a minute, but look at this. I would call this a butler's pantry. Very nice. And keep it all closed off. So we have a refrigerator on top with French doors. Then we have the pull-out freezer, baskets on the bottom. And then check this out. Your pet, extra storage, very nice. We have 2 HVAC units. Let's head upstairs for more goodness. And believe me, very nice. So you have this nice size bedroom, HVAC, and I'm gonna stand in the middle so you don't see the reflection. So I don't really get the CPAP portion. Now over here, yes, but maybe they just put the sign over there. That's probably what it is. But then you also have that storage, which is great for jewelry or firearms, that type of thing. Cabinet above, you got a bank of 4 drawers, cabinets, very nice. Flat screen TV and a window, kind of different, but you do have the blackout shade, which is very nice, because right away I'm looking at that and I'm thinking, man, that's going to be difficult to see, but they thought ahead and put a blackout shade. Very nice bathroom. Very, very nice commode setup, as well as a shower. Very, you have the skylight, rain, as well as the wand. Then we have storage, plenty here. And then you also have, I like showing this, the clothes hamper. Then you have a place for your shoes, sweaters, hang up clothes. And let me see if I can show this without showing me. Well, you saw my shoes. And it's pre-wired and pre-plumbed for stackable washer dryer. Very nice. So the 2026 Grand Design 417 KB checks a lot of boxes, in my opinion. Very, very nice setup. Again, this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. And any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. I don't know that I want to finish this video. Just more and more goodness worth looking at. Butler's Pantry, nice, very nice kitchen, 4-burner cooktop with a very nice oven. And then the entertainment center, 2 HVAC units, plenty of seating for entertaining. So thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.